Hi and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the Vauxhall Astra 2-litre CDTI VX Line SRI. The vehicle's come in recent part exchange and we've added some very nice additions to the vehicle in the form of having the 19-inch VX Line alloys professionally refurbished in gloss black. The vehicle does come with some service history and we have also had the car serviced in-house ourselves. At the front you can see, thanks to that VX Line, you do get the VX Line SRI grille in the body colour. We've also made another addition and had the mirror caps done in the same gloss black as the alloy wheels. Alongside that, the previous owner fitted the very nice Team Heco wind deflectors on the windows. As you can see there, it comes with a full cloth interior, which has been kept in great condition. It comes with a 6-speed manual and is a very spacious 5-door model. Again, as you can see there, giving you that little bit of extra room. Showing you around a bit more, Isofix rear bench, and again, a very nice VX Line rear spoiler. Thanks to having those alloys just recently refurbished, you can see they're all unmarked. And at the back, again, another addition that was made to this car prior to it coming here was the rear parking sensors that were added, and they've all been professionally colour coded. You do get a very, very large boot on the Vauxhall Astra, as you can see there, and these seats do fold down nicely as well. Moving round to the other side of the car once more, you can see that it's a very, very clean and tidy example and has been very nicely looked after. And we shall quickly hop on board the car and just run you through the major features, including this very nice multifunction half perforated leather steering wheel that contains your cruise control and all of your volume and source controls. It's covered just over 83,000 miles, as you will have seen it just flash up there. We'll start the car up and run you through those features. In terms of multimedia, you'll see down here we've got an AUX port. Alongside that, it comes with FM and AM radio along with a CD port as well. As you can see there, now it's come up a little bit more thanks to me starting the car. It's covered 83740, and as I mentioned, it's got service history all the way up to around about 56,000 miles in the service book. There is also a service afterwards that has got a service invoice for, and we have also serviced the car afterwards ourselves, which we shall also stamp the book as well. So there is a look around this very nice Vauxhall Astra 2-litre CDTI VX Line that we've carried out some very nice additions to. I'm hoping you've enjoyed the walk around and been able to find it useful. If you would, of course, like more information on the car, you will find all of the relevant contact information down below in the description. Once again, thank you very much for taking the time to watch the walk around, and we shall hopefully see yourselves very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.